sakhe.
So mhlawumbe noba i-membership nabantu abangaphi na?
Membership disturb. One of the things that I'm telling you, since we lost people with COVID-19, before COVID-19 they were registered 1,200 and something members. That is now registered people on book. I'm not sure if those people physically those people were coming, but they were registered people that are registered as members of our church. And again, those people would not come all at the same day in the program. They wouldn't come all in the same day because some are nurses, some are police people. You know, when you're the police, we are finding the shifts. When you shift to corner, when you work, that make your the numbers exactly as back on a Sunday. But the registered number was 1,200.
So when I say one or like services in the
we're pushing two services. We're pushing the Sunday and Wednesday service. And we do have programs that we are doing Kings and Queens, the programs are chat. And we do have the programs success program money, which is one of the controversial things that I'm about there to the African ministry. You know, by probably the only pastor that teaches on money and other pastors, and I'm not apologetic about that. Remember, I told you my upbringing, I know how poverty is, and I know how painful poverty is. So because the poverty we experiencing, I think I gained a message from that poverty that, okay, now I'm going to deal with it, even now I'm going to be done. So I started to teach, in fact, was at GCF, more on finances, financial impact, financial prosperity, how God wants to prosper people financially. And I know that I was Kabanandi Ishmael, beside Karandayas and the little name over it because there's a lot, you know, I was telling you, man, because by it's how they say, tightly showing, taking out a tangy man, about false man, and false prophets and money and all that. And yet, the pastors that were called like that were not blunt, were not open like I am, the man. And here I am coming and so open and so vocal that money yes, money say I'm gay, money say I phone, money lungi, money, you know. I came talking such, and I think it was a new message. Bandwin over from this. You know, feed your kids, prosper financially, take them to schools of you know, such messages were staying down. To think about it now, it was not an easy journey because I came in strong and I'm still strong by the way, and on the issue of who must have money. If if because 98%, if not 99% of people's problems under the sun are financial related. Once you fix the money issue, you would have fixed the 99% of problems. And it's amazing how the church world in the and yet it became a really to take a cool more than prayer, more than fasting, more than intervene, more than hell. Most of the parables are in where 36, 22 of them money related. Any topic that take a cool, why is it financial related? Because Jesus understood that earth physical plane can only be operational by economy man. If I give money, this physical plane, but the church, for some season, it started doing money. I had to Satan. I make up her. I have no take. I have no address. The only time the church will talk about money, it's not on Miguel. And Ghana person on Miguel, who started on the school, I would take man. Go at it daily when they part the department, the section. You know, one pastor said to me, I am not good when I said, I said, teaching the man, the good way. And I asked him, oh, ukuthi
Because ezwini imali.
intoni yona imali uzawuthi intoni yona imali xa ukuthi ezwini uthi imali yona umnikelo ukunikela nokunikelisa nokutitha nokusupport abantu offerings uzakubiza intoni kona. And then he was quiet for some time but yayibona siyibhuda opposite test wathi yabona siyibhuda because obviously ndiyibhudile ngoba ndiyithathe nandicinga uba ayomali. Sometimes uveze cha uthi hayi ke wasanane asikeleze msinikile soqhubeka ngokukhonza kwethu. No, ukunikela kukhonza. Xa unikela uyakhonza. Actually xa unikela uyanqula deeper than ukucula. Because izazi zavula iintasi zakhe zakunqula, zavula iintasi zazo zanika igolide, inhlaka emhlophe nemore. So that was the giving, was their worship. In fact, the very first time Cecilia came to worship eBhayibhelini, it was about umuntu ayonikela unyana wakhe. Abraham, he was going to offer his son. So that offering of his son was called worship. The new God of Fana Yongola, Sabuya Sazoya. But when he went up with the son, Tinasasias, so Uyonola related Kapul, no, the offering. So I came as a pastor, a young pastor that is preaching hard on this money issue. And I'm not apologetic even today. I'm not even ashamed to say to people, if you don't take what I'm teaching, it's okay, find a place. You know.
And it's okay mandingayazi uzawuyenza njani na because ndingumntu kanye kanye umuntu akamelanga uzazi indlela zikaThixo andiyazi uzawusebenzisa bani andiyazi uzamsebenzisa njani but ndiyayazi bana I'm coming out of poverty, I'm coming out of debt, I'm coming out. If you do it supernatural, if you counsel amatyala I'm supernatural, I'll take that further. If you bring someone to give me money, I'll take that further. But one thing I know, you are taking me out. Somebody shout, I'm coming out of poverty. Say it loud, I'm coming out of poverty. Money is coming to me now. Money is running to me now. Yes. Inyaniso leyo, inyaniso leyo. Inyaniso leyo. Andiyazi uzawuyenza njani uThixo, andiyazi uzawuyenza ngabani, but if you can remain on that stand, if you can remain faithful kulo nyaniso mana uThixo wami uyayazi uzawuyenza njani na. I'm coming out of lack and scarcity. I'm coming out of the curse of poverty. I'm coming out of the lack of stagnation. I will not be here at this time.